Alright guys, it's Kirk with Overdrive. We've gotten quite a growing with the little business that we have, so we're doing a lot more shipped out orders this year compared to where usually it's just the local guys that I can kind of help install bodies, graphics, anything like that. So with everything being shipped out this year more, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to properly install a wrap. Okay, so we're going to start with the side panel. So what you see here is just me measuring it out, making sure that I know what spacing we're going to have on the front and the back of the sides, just to make sure that we don't either cut off sponsors or numbers or anything like that. Just making sure it fits right. Then we're going to peel back the paper a little bit. You'll watch me struggle. But we're going to peel it back like 3-4 inches or so, and then put a crease in it, fold it over so that it'll stay back there so it's not in your way. Once you get that done, you're then going to flip it over and you're going to start to line it up. Again, make sure you're lining it up so that your number's not cut off. If there's any sponsors to the other side, make sure they're not cut off, and then make sure that it's lined up along the bottom so it stays straight, and that your whole body is covered along the bottom. Once you get that done, firmly press the back side on. You'll just easily push it on. Do make sure that you're not pushing too hard, just to make marks. Then you're just going to slowly start to push the body graphics on. You'll see I use a squeegee here. If you're going to use a squeegee, make sure it's got a felt side to it. If you are going to use the hard side, just do it very, very lightly, just to avoid making any scratch marks in the body and the graphics. So just use the squeegee side, and then once you got that spot on, you'll just slowly pull that backing back and then keep going and squeegee out the bubbles as you go. You're going to have a few bubbles. It is what it is. Once it gets in the sun for a go, those bubbles will work themselves out. You can also use a razor blade later on to kind of try and pop some of those bubbles out. Just be very careful. Now, as you see, I'm pulling this backing back about 3 to 4 inches every time, just trying to make sure that I don't have too much of the vinyl exposed. You don't want it to stick to the body too soon and then get wrinkles and everything like that. So just do a little bit at a time and then slowly work your way down the body.
Elite music is fire.
Alright, and now that you've gotten it all laid out, just go around all the edges, give it a firm press, make sure it's fully stuck down, and then you can take a razor blade and just trim around the edges. All of our wraps are going to have a little bit of overhang on all edges, just to ensure that your wrap fits depending on what body style you have. There's so many different bodies. We just really want to make sure that everyone's wrap fits. So you're always going to have a little bit of an overhang. So just trim that off with a razor blade. Just be very careful you don't cut the body, don't slice into the graphics, and just make sure your razor blade is sharp and not dull, otherwise you'll have a lot of issues getting through the vinyl. Alright, now you'll see me flipping it over to just kind of mark out the holes. I always suggest to mount your bodies before putting the graphics on. That way the holes are pre-drilled and you're not trying to drill through the graphics. So I just take the razor blade, pop it through the hole in the back, and then flip it over and cut around that circle on the front. Again, just being very careful that you're not scratching the wrap, you're not cutting the body where it shouldn't be. So yeah, just cut out those circles for your Zeus buttons. And that's it. Now your side panel is installed and it's time for you to do the next side. Now moving on to the nose, you'll see here I start with the number. This is completely up to you on where you place it, at what angle you place it. I typically try to follow body lines, but it's definitely just personal preference on where you want it. So you'll see here I peel off the back, and then I just get it lined up to the angle that I'm wanting it at, and then just slowly stick it down, holding the top up, and then slowly rubbing on until you get all the way up to the top. Now onto the corner pieces for the nose. These can be by far the hardest part because of all the different angles on the nose, all the different curve lines of the body. So it's just going to take some tries. You can usually peel it off once or twice, just very lightly, and making sure you're not touching the back of this vinyl very many times. But just work on placing it here, pushing out the bubbles on the curves. I typically try to start above a curve line. You'll see here where I'm pushing the thumb down above that curve line so that I can work those bubbles out around it, and then I'll go over the top and over the bottom and then readjust as needed. And that's it. Now your wrap is fully installed and you are ready to go for the season. Thanks for watching.